How to buy Lara token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simple as code below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. This token, as you can see, it's available on COINEX, so you can find it there. To be able to buy this token, you can click on markets here, and as you can see, you will be able to see the drop swap. So what you need to do, click on this pair here. So after a while, you will be able to be on their website. So what you need to do, just switch it from here to be to select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT. So after you select the token that you want to buy with, just type how much you want to buy. So in a while you will be able to see here how much you receive of the token, and after that click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So first you need to connect your wallet first to be able to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy a Lara token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.